At a busy loading dock, two workers were unloading heavy boxes from a truck. One man stood on the truck bed, separating the stacked cartons so his partner could place them safely on the ground. Everything seemed perfectly under control, until one of the side boxes started shifting. Before the worker could react, the load slid unexpectedly, throwing him off balance and causing him to fall from the truck. At the same moment, the heavy boxes tumbled in the same direction, landing dangerously close to him. This incident reminds us how crucial it is to secure materials properly during loading and unloading. Workers should avoid standing next to unstable stacks and must use lifting tools such as straps, trolleys, or hoists instead of relying only on manual effort. A large steel structure had been placed on a platform, ready to be lifted by an overhead crane. Several workers stood nearby watching the process. As the crane began to raise the load, the steel structure slid unexpectedly. In that moment, workers on the ground were suddenly caught in a dangerous position. Helped bring the situation under control before it escalated further. This incident reminds us why strict crane safety procedures must always be followed. Loads should be properly secured and balanced before lifting. Workers must never stand under or close to suspended loads, and safety zones should be clearly marked to keep bystanders at a safe distance. Careful planning and vigilance can ensure that lifting operations are completed without unnecessary risk. A pedestrian was walking on road when a forklift carrying a load approached from behind. Because the load blocked the operator's view, the man was hidden in the forklift's blind spot. The machine moved forward and made contact with the pedestrian before the operator could react. This incident shows the critical importance of blind spot awareness in busy work areas. Forklift operators must use spotters when carrying large loads, reduce speed in pedestrian zones, and ensure clear visibility at all times. At the same time, pedestrians also have a responsibility to stay alert, especially when walking near active roadways or work sites with moving equipment. By paying attention to surroundings and avoiding unsafe paths, both operators and pedestrians can help prevent dangerous encounters. Worker was preparing to step down from the second floor using a wooden ladder. As he placed his foot on the second step, the ladder shifted because it had not been properly secured. Within moments, the ladder tilted and the worker fell from the height. Nearby team members quickly noticed the incident and rushed to assist him, ensuring that he received immediate attention. This incident highlights why ladder safety is critical on construction sites. Every ladder must be placed on firm ground, secured at the top, and checked for stability before use. Workers should always maintain 3 points of contact while climbing, and supervisors must ensure proper safety checks are part of the routine. Taking a few extra seconds to secure a ladder can prevent dangerous falls. In India, a young boy stood up through a car's sunroof while the vehicle was moving. The driver continued down the road, unaware of the low structure ahead. As the car passed under it, the boy struck his head and immediately ducked back inside. The incident was brief, but served as a serious reminder of how risky it is to lean out of a moving vehicle. Sunroofs are meant for ventilation and light, not for standing or leaning out while the car is in motion. Always keep seatbelts fastened and remain seated when traveling. Simple precautions like these can prevent serious injuries and keep every ride safe. At a residential house, a car was parked on a slightly sloped driveway. With no one inside, it suddenly began rolling backward toward the street. The owner, an elderly man, rushed to stop it before it reached the road. Unfortunately, the car continued moving and hit the closed gate of a neighboring house. Nearby residents quickly intervened and secured the vehicle to prevent further movement. This serves as a reminder that vehicles must always be parked with the handbrake fully engaged and the wheels turned toward a curb or stopper, especially on inclined surfaces. Even though modern cars have safety features like auto hold or park assist, they can't replace manual precautions. Always double-check the gear position and parking brake before leaving a vehicle unattended. A few seconds of care can prevent serious accidents. On a quiet street, a tricycle parked near a wall suddenly rolled forward on its own. It appeared that the parking brake hadn't been applied properly, causing it to move into the open street. Sadly, a woman standing nearby was in its path, and the tricycle struck her before coming to a stop. Although the impact was minor, The incident clearly shows how accidents can happen even at low speed. Always make sure tricycles, delivery carts, or any small vehicles are switched off completely and their brakes are engaged before leaving them unattended. On a busy main road, traffic was moving smoothly. Rickshaws, cars, and trucks all flowed steadily under clear skies until a large truck approached at high speed from behind. As the vehicles ahead slowed down, the truck driver couldn't stop in time. Within seconds, it collided with two rickshaws and a car, triggering a chain reaction crash. The smaller vehicles were badly crushed in the impact. This highlights how maintaining a safe following distance and controlling speed is vital on the road. Heavy trucks require much longer stopping distances. Even a second's delay in reaction can cause disaster. Inside a paper manufacturing unit, a large paper roll was passing smoothly through heavy rollers. A worker nearby was performing his routine checks when he accidentally stepped too close. His foot touched the moving roller, pulling him toward the machine. Thankfully, coworkers reacted quickly. They stopped the rollers and freed him, preventing a more serious injury. This event emphasizes the need to maintain a safe distance from operating machinery and never touch moving equipment. Safety guards, emergency stop systems, and proper training can make all the difference in preventing such accidents.